Hello one and all loyalists, and welcome back to another travel vlog with host Taos. Now, even though we are concluding our trip here in the Philippines, so we still have one more epic trip over in Bali, Indonesia. We're spending 3 nights there. I'm not sure where the big plans are over there, but of course you're gonna join along with me, and let's get on it. Now today's sponsor of the video is Robinhood, the easy-to-use investment app right at your fingertips. Use my referral link down below for a chance to win great stocks like Apple, Amazon, Google, and many others as your first free stock when you sign up. For more information, wait till the end of this video to learn more. Now if you're wondering why I sound so different, I might be a little bit sick, but that's not going to ruin my trips and future adventures in Indonesia. Get on it. We came in rain, we leave when it's raining. Well, this is where we say goodbye for now. He's actually going somewhere else, different location. Business. And the rest of us are going to Indonesia. You know, we live together, so we'll see each other. On the road again. No tears, man, no tears. No tears. We're losing more travel buddies left and right. We lost Francis, Lynn, Ate Claire, and Kuya Joel. Welcome. Hi. Welcome. Oh. This is how you eat. Our bill is 536,000, but of course the currency is different valuations. I think this is actually equivalent to like about 40 bucks US dollars. Right after an awesome lunch, we're heading out to Monkey Island. Little Maro over there posing. That was a food trip here in the Monkey Forest. We're actually going to grab some milkshakes here. And call it a day. Obviously super humid out. I'm sweating here profusely, but it was great checking out the monkeys. If you guys are in town, definitely check these guys out. Oh man, I'm exhausted. We're gonna sleep good, right?
Oh yeah, we got big plans for tomorrow.
We're waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning. Actually, we're waking up at 4, leaving at 5. All right, we made it to our villas. a nice little space here. Unfortunately, it's raining right now. It might actually rain again tomorrow, but just different hours. Similar to our previous location. Hopefully the rain is not as bad as Chagall, but right now it's pretty light drizzle, so it's not too bad. Wow, check out this view. Looks like the rain has stopped already, so it will just come and go. We have to wear skirt, man.
Fashion. Walk, walk, fashion, baby. Turn around. Yeah.
On our climb up higher. Tired. I know I am, and I don't even know how far up we have to go. You okay? We're almost there. We're almost there. That's how many steps we take, or that's how many more left?
No, are you serious?
It's like 600 meters that way. All right, here we go. 1,439, 1,438. Yeah, you're already wearing a skirt. You're gonna wear a bag now. Looking all pretty, yeah? They make it look so easy. Look at Chatty up there, gloating. Here. Oh, wow.
Hey, don't drop it.
Heavy.
It is?
Yeah.
It's heavy.
We're almost there, man.
Oh yeah, we made it.
I'm not sure if this is the one, or you have to keep going, or... Yeah, I guess it's a mistranslation, but we actually went all the way up, and we didn't need to. We're going back down now, which is easier, granted, but we're still tired. Are you alright?
Huh?
Good cardio, right?
We made up for those last 9 days.
Yeah, the last 9 days we didn't work out, and eating so much food. Alright, looks like we're here. Got some pretty good pictures. I might annotate it in the video, but yeah, we just took a long wait There's a lot of people looking at pictures and taking pictures and whatnot. We are probably literally above the clouds. Big boy. Big boy. So this guy said we went up 2,700 steps. Wow. Alright, we're gonna head back, get some more scooters, and I probably grab something to eat, because I am starving. All these restaurants are so nice. Let's check it out further. Very cool statue. Yeah, even though I wasn't able to get any drone shots when we were at the gates of heaven, and we're gonna try to do some over in here. We bought some fish food to get some closer shots of the fish as well. We can't do any drone shots, so it's gonna cost, was it 500,000 rupiah for me to fly my drone here, but it's okay. Now for today's sponsored video is Robinhood, where you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. It's an investment tool where you can use anytime, any place, especially when you sign up for Robinhood Gold. Get up to 2 times buying power without depositing an extra dime. No interest, no hidden fees, and best of all, no trade commission fees. With Gold, you can even trade when the market is closed, giving you an extra time needed to make that next buy or sell. When you sign up today, you have a chance to earn a free stock like Apple, Facebook, and many other great stocks. It's easy to use, and best of all, easy to finally get started in investing back into your future. Use my link below for your free stock and sign up today.